Today we have the Riccar, it's 500. And then we're going to remove this tray. There's a latch here. So remove it. So let's fix the railer. It comes with an industrial railer. The thread stand behind the machine, so we're going to just drop our thread on the stand and then tie up the two threads. This tension disc here, pass it through. Always make sure your thread is coming from your left to your right. Push it down, push your railer to the right. That's enough for me. Remove your thread back, put it back on the stand, move this to the left, then you can remove your railer. When inserting your railer, make sure your thread is coming from the left to the right. Insert it. There's a notch here, pass it through the notch and then down over here, right? You can hold your railer like so, your bobbin case like so. Then insert it, right? Oh, so for the next part, let's pass our upper thread. Our upper thread, go through this same thing, and then you tension this over here, and then the loop here, like so, and then this tension disc, and then into your threader. There's another hook here, and then into your needle. Then into your needle, right? You can move your needle disc down to pick up the under thread. There you have it. So both threads, right? You now have both threads at the top. We want to put this back so we can try out the machine. Don't forget the lever here.